In this video, we will access and update the Genesis controller's firmware. To download the latest firmware, press the menu button. Select number 4, Configuration. Then select number 2, Communications. Now, scroll down and choose 4, Update Firmware. Press the Continue button, and the controller will search for available updates. The controller will now go through a series of steps to erase the old software and install the latest version. After completion, you'll have the option to either install the new software or return to the home screen. To finalize the update, press the Install button. The controller will go through another series of steps, downloading and verifying the firmware. Once finished, the screen will flash to the startup screen and return to idle, confirming the successful update. To check the latest firmware version, press the menu button. Navigate to the number 1 data menu. Scroll down to Kiln Info, where you can view your current firmware version. For an alternate method to update software, connect to a hotspot using a phone or tablet. That concludes the firmware update process. Remember to stay informed about future updates by visiting LNL's website at hotkilns.com.